Hey YouTube family, this is Jean. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So I have a new discovery. I'm cooking tonight, even though I said I don't cook. But this is, sometimes we get tired of drinking water. And so I just discovered this. I think it's pronounced bai. I'm not sure. Or bai. But anyway, and the coconut is the best. I've tasted a couple of them now. But I think it's keto friendly. So hit me up in the comments below if this is keto or not, because it says that it's 8 calories per serving. And you know, I drank half today and I'm about to drink the other half right now. 1 gram of sugar and 6 grams of carbs. I think that's keto. So yeah, let me know if this is keto or not, you know, because I do get tired of drinking water. I don't like tea, even though I'm going to start drinking green tea anyway. I love coffee, but it's just not the same without some cream or some sugar. I mean, not sugar. No. Splenda, stevia, or something like that. Anyway, I like this stuff, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. But what I'm going to be doing tonight is making me a quick dinner. I got off really late tonight, which is a no-no, but I stopped at the store and I saw these great big portobello mushrooms, and they look so good. So I'm gonna try something. Okay, so what I'm gonna attempt to do is I'm gonna make a pizza, a portobello mushroom pizza. So here are all the ingredients I plan to use. So portobello mushrooms, of course. I don't have olive oil. I know I should have olive oil. I don't. So I'm gonna try to like coat them, maybe warm this coconut oil and coat them in that so they won't, you know, burn or stick. Bacon, because I'm not a big fan of pepperoni. Tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, because that's what I have. And all of this is because it's what I have in the house right now. And I'm going to use some garlic, salt, some pepper. And I know I should use some fresh, like, basil or something, but all I have is this, which is a mix of all Italian, you know, seasonings. And it's dry. So, yeah, so let's get to it and wish me luck. Okay, as I stated before, many times I am not a cook. So you can tell by how I cut up these tomatoes. I'm in the middle of breaking the cheese. I did add 1 more pack of cheese. It just didn't look like enough. Where's that? Yeah, so I used 3 sticks instead of 2. Oh, sorry. Get that out of the way. And then this is supposed to be like shreddable cheese. Wait, not shreddable. What's the word? String cheese. So I'm just like tearing it in pieces, and hopefully it'll fit. This, to me, even these 3 sticks of cheese doesn't look like it'll be enough, but my hands are clean and I'm the only one eating it. Okay, so the one thing that I'm concerned about, oh, and this is how can I not have olive oil? But anyway, this is the coconut oil I put in the microwave for a little while, and this is what I'm gonna coat the mushrooms with. I wonder if I can put the seasoning, like, you know, some salt and pepper right in here. I probably can. I don't know. I'll probably do that. The one thing I'm concerned about, though, is the bacon. I only half cooked it because this has to go in the oven. But since I'm going to boil it, I don't know if that's enough time to finish cooking the bacon. I don't know. Maybe I should have got pepperoni after all. But anyway, here goes nothing. I think all I have to do now is clean the mushroom and put it all together. So yeah, let's get to that. I wanted you to see me clean out the last one. It's like, I don't know what it is. It's like scales in the inside of here. It's kind of gross. And so I've just been cleaning them out with a spoon, and then I'll just rinse it. To say something else about these mushrooms. This one's not clean, but these are. Oh, it's about to be dirty again. The outside skin, the backside, not the underside, the backside is so silky, and I've rinsed it a bunch of times. Somebody let me know in the comment section if I'm supposed to take this skin off too. But you know, I ain't doing it tonight. But I don't know what the deal is. I started to pull it off on here, and I felt like I was taking too much of the mushroom away. Like, that's a big hunk in there. like you'll see on like that. But anyway, it just feels kind of silky. I thought that's a weird feeling. I've never cooked portobello mushrooms. I've never cooked any mushrooms except for like to add little mushrooms to other things. Oh, and I took the stems out too. Okay, so I just had the funniest accident, and I should share. Look, I have a big stain on my shirt. I told you I'm not a cook. I just leaned into the pot trying to turn the camera on. Let me show you. So maybe you can see this. Here's the skillet, and so I'm leaning in trying to. Anyway, yeah, I'm an idiot sometimes. I really wish I had olive oil. I don't know how this is going to go over. And I think the first go round, I'll turn them downward. I'm going to put them in for like 5 minutes, boil them for like 5 minutes on each side. This side down without all the toppings, you know, the pizza toppings. And then the next 5 minutes, it'll be with it all on there. Another reason I'm doing this is I'm thinking about not going vegetarian, but going half vegetarian, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be vegetarian days or something like that. And I want to see how to get more vegetables into my diet. And mushrooms, I've never made them before, like I said, but I have tasted them before. Like I've had mushroom burgers and stuff like that. They kind of taste like meat sometimes. I was kind of scared to rinse them too because I didn't want them to absorb too much water, but I had to rinse them. I didn't know. I don't know. I should have looked into more how to clean mushrooms, but I think I did a good job. Anyway, so I'm coating them, putting them face down. The boil is on high. I don't know if I should put it on low, but it's on high right now, and I'll check them periodically. And so at the 4-minute mark, I took them out because they look kind of, I was afraid that they were burning. Look at all the water they make. So I'm going to pour that out and flip them over and put the toppings on. So I hope these weren't too hot. Maybe I should be using something else to turn them over with. All right, so, ooh, look how the underside looks. I hope you guys can see this. So yeah, they produced way more water than I thought. I was talking to someone today at work about my love for bacon. I want to stop eating pork. But what am I going to do with bacon? Because I can stop eating all other pork. Actually, I don't really eat any other pork. But I love bacon. Bacon and chocolate. I'm not giving up. Sorry. Anyway. Guys, please comment and let me know what you think about stuff. So I think this is ready. I don't know if I never put the seasoning. Okay. Still would have been good, right? So this is Italian seasoning. A blend. Basil and all the Italian stuff. Thyme, rosemary, oregano, sage. I wish I would have had at least one fresh. Those are herbs, right? One fresh herb. Put some a little of this salt because it was kind of. Well, that wasn't a little. And a little pepper too. Don't know about this oil. Oh, I started telling you guys I was telling this lady at work how I eat eggs and bacon at night. And I'm talking one piece of bacon or two, never more than that. And she started going crazy about, ooh, you know, people get heart attacks from bacon, and what about the salt and all this kind of stuff. And then I tried to explain keto to her. It was just not happening. All right, that's that. Now let's put it back in the oven. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna say 5 minutes. Basically, I'm just doing it until this cheese melts, and yeah. All right. Hey guys, I'm worried. Okay, it smells divine. It smells really, really good. But look at all of this water in here. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. So it's not gonna be like a crispy pizza with all that water. So I did something wrong. I think, you know what I think? I had it flipped over and I ran it through the boiler and it came out with a lot of water. I think I was supposed to flip it over and run it through the boiler again, but I didn't. I just put the toppings on it. But it's like a lot of water, so, and the cheese isn't melted all the way like I like it. I think I'm just gonna have to go and buy some adult cheese. Because, anyway, let's taste this. Let me drain it and get it on a plate or something. But anyway, I hope you guys can see this. That's a lot of water. So it certainly smells better than it looks, but I think it's gonna taste great. Okay. All right, here goes nothing. Here it is. Looks kind of good. Still has like, what I'm concerned about is it's not crisp. You know, like a pizza has a crisp bottom, and that's what I was hoping for. But it's a mushroom, not a pizza. But still looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and see what you guys think. Hi guys. I tried to get it where you could see it. So here goes nothing. Let's see. But I don't know how this is gonna come out. Some part looks really good, but you know what? As much as I love bacon, I'm probably gonna love it. Okay. I like it. I gotta figure out how to dry. Oh, sorry. Talking with my mouth open. This is good. I always say it's good when it has bacon, but it tastes good. It tastes way better than it looks. If I just figure out how, or somebody, please, if you know how I can dry it out and not have it so moist, that'd be awesome. I think it'd be better. I do like the taste of mushroom, so I don't mind it being moist because mushroom is usually moist. But I wanted like the pizza, the top, like the cheese is kind of crunchy and the bacon. But the bottom is really, really moist, really wet. But it's good. I hope I don't look totally crazy eating on camera. Anyway, now I'm talking with my mouth full. Sorry, give me a moment. Why doesn't this cheese melt? I think I need grown-up cheese. I think that's it. All right. So that was an experiment just for you. So I like it. I don't love that I haven't figured out how to get the mushroom less wet, but I'll figure it out. We'll test it out. Yeah. So, but I like it. I'm going to eat it. I'm going to have probably one for the next 3 days since I have 3 left. Yeah. So this was an experience. I am not a cook. I'm just trying to, go on this keto journey, this keto intermediate fasting too. I've been doing that. Like, I don't eat until my lunchtime at work, which is like 1:30. So I'm combining the keto and the intermittent fasting. And I think that's helping me lose a lot of weight because I haven't been making it to the gym. I make it to the gym like twice a week, if that. And I'm still losing. So it's got to be keto and intermittent fasting, the combination. So yeah, let's go ahead and end this video. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for watching. Please, please, please like and subscribe. You know, thanks for coming with me on this journey. And you know, I keep saying it, in 2 weeks I'm gonna be 50. That's bananas. So again, I'm Jean. This is 50ish Glam. Let's go be fabulous.